Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make 10,000 US dollars monthly. These are 5 realistic ways I use to make money online. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You can make money online in more ways than just by making videos. Everyone can make 10,000 US dollars a month, whether you believe it or not. If you are a struggling vlogger or want to start a freelance job, you will need to learn a few approaches or ways to be successful. The question is, how long will it take to learn the skills you need for a successful freelance career? How much time you have will depend on your skills and interests. The more you care about something, the more likely it is that you will become popular and successful. If you don't want to get better at something but still want to make up to 10,000 US dollars per month, try one of the following ideas. Teach people. It is one of the easiest and most successful ways to make money online. You can teach as many people as you want or as few as you want. This work is good for stay-at-home moms and recent college graduates because they don't have to go anywhere to make money. Sit down in a quiet place with your computer and quickly connect to the internet. You will also need a chalkboard if you want to give good talks. You can find students in 2 ways. The first is to look for them on social media, and the second is to apply for teaching jobs on sites like Magic Ears, Prof 360, VIP Kid, and Straya University. 2. Create your own YouTube channel. It's easy to start a YouTube channel and make up to 3,000 US dollars a month from it. I've seen people get paid a lot more than this. Choosing a specialty, figuring out who you want to reach, and making videos that stand out are all parts of the process. For example, if you like beauty and fashion, you could start a YouTube channel to share tips, tricks, and advice with the rest of the world. Try to promote your videos as much as possible and get as many subscribers and views as you can. 3. Sell your creations. If you are creative and have good hands, you might be able to make extra money by selling crafts online. The best part is that you can sell anything on Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and other online marketplaces. For example, if you are good at designing and making clothes for women, you could start a clothing line and sell as many items as you want. Please make sure the things you are selling are good. If you don't like online stores, you could post your handmade items on social networking sites like Twitter and Facebook. Bonus point is promote the products of other people and get 1,000 to 2,000 US dollars per month. You could make money online by selling other people's products and getting commissions. Because of this, you won't have to make anything yourself. You need to get in touch with people who want someone to sell their things the right way. Share photos and posts of their things on your social media, and if you can, run advertising campaigns to reach more people. And last point, get a job on Fiverr. You can sell business services for as little as $5 on this website. Your services, which are called gigs, could earn you a lot more than $5 per hour. If you're a graphic designer, you can charge a lot more than $5 for your work. You could also do freelance work as a writer, video animator, or something similar. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.